Mastering the smile and eye contact in English introductions. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're focusing on a crucial part of responding to introductions, expressing pleasure in meeting someone. But it's not just about what you say. Our expressions, and especially our body language, play a big role too. The way we smile and maintain eye contact can significantly impact our conversations. Let's get into it. In any language, a smile is a universal sign of friendliness. When meeting someone for the first time in an English-speaking context, a warm smile can go a long way. It conveys that you are friendly, approachable, and happy to make the acquaintance. But what makes a good smile? A genuine smile often involves more than just your mouth. Your eyes also take part in this expression. When you're genuinely happy or excited, your eyes tend to show it. This is called a douchen smile. When responding to introductions, try to give a warm and sincere smile. It's not about having a big, broad grin. Just something that shows you're pleased to meet the other person. Remember, a genuine smile can leave a lasting positive impression. Now let's talk about eye contact. In many English-speaking cultures, eye contact is a sign of attentiveness and respect. It shows the other person that you are engaged and interested in the conversation. During an introduction, maintaining eye contact is especially important. It signals your focus and attention towards the person you are meeting. Be careful, though, not to stare as it might make the other person uncomfortable. A good rule of thumb is the 50-70th rule. Maintain eye contact for 50% of the time while speaking and 70% while listening. Eye contact can feel a bit challenging at first, especially for non-native speakers. It's normal. With practice, it will become second nature. Both a smile and eye contact play essential roles in meeting someone new. But the key is to balance them. Maintain eye contact while giving a warm smile can make the other person feel acknowledged and valued. It suggests that you are genuinely interested in them and the conversation. Remember, it's not about staring or smiling without a break. It's about showing interest and enthusiasm in a way that feels comfortable and natural for both parties. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it. That wraps up our lesson on how to use smiling and eye contact when responding to introductions in English. Remember, the key is to be genuine and respectful. A warm smile and proper eye contact can set the tone for a great conversation and even a lasting relationship. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be a pro at English introductions. Until next time, happy learning!